All right, everybody, the stock market is on the upside. Nasdaq's up almost 0.67 as we speak, and SD Microelectronics, they reported earnings, and I just wanted to point it out. We're not interested in them, making a play on them, but we're interested in how well they're doing. And this chip maker is down almost 13% because their projections for the automotive chip sector, I think, is one of the reasons why it's brought the stock down. Other than that, they don't really have, from what I read, any accelerations in another area that would help offset that significantly. Next, tonight, Intel will report earnings, and yesterday a lot of the stocks took a beating, and Intel was certainly one of them. So it's good that we have the bounce here. It's not really much of a bounce. It's just a slight uptick, I would say. I mean, there was a little recovery at the end of the day. Yesterday was a serial bull day, where at the beginning things were going down, you hit the bottom, you come back up. So Intel is our target today because we're going to close out our position on Tesla. Tesla announced earnings last night. They missed their earnings despite the record amount of sales in the last quarter. And then, they talked about robo-taxis and how that's making progress. They're expanding that and hoping to reach the point where they don't need a driver in the car anymore. So good for Tesla. So they're kind of going sideways. And the premiums were really good yesterday. And I eventually sold one for a strike price 470. And at that point, I didn't pick off at the near the end of where the recovery was. Otherwise, that would have been a better payout. So I picked up somewhere, can't remember, a couple hours before the close of the bell, I believe. And may not the most optimal point, but we sold it for $4.50, and now it's worth 20 cents. So I can close this out, and we can make a profit for about $3.95. And then once I close it, let's see, just go this for that to go through. And then let's look at Intel. So Intel is a stock that is on the road to recovery with the help of the government, deals, investors such as NVIDIA, and also they have high hopes of being able to reach their fabrication plants in the United States. But a lot of those things, like turning around a company, especially a chip company like this, is not overnight, not even close to an overnight, a job. So it takes time, and the reason their stock has been going up is because of a lot of news announcements, partnerships, investments, and all that. So I don't really expect that much in this quarter, but maybe low expectations. If they exceed low expectations, then that would help their stock. But their stock is up a bunch. So with all that said, I want to pick off, I think around 37 and 27 cents right now. I think $40 would be good here, and the premium is pretty big. I mean, 73 cents on a $40 strike price. Yeah, that's a good amount. So we can do 12 contracts at 73 cents, which we will do here after we close the video, and then so we'll sell it for somewhere between 72 cents, 73 cents, somewhere around there, assuming things don't change that quickly. And then we'll wait for after the bell to see how it goes. Also, after the bell, we got Ford Motors reporting today, so we'll look forward to hearing how they do, to see if they line up with GM and are also showing good domestic car sales in the United States and car sales in general globally. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. I'll see you after the Intel call.